Okay, so Jay is trying to get his other parakeet that you will never, most likely never see on his channel, his first channel, but he's somewhere back there.
Now the blue one escaped.
Light. Both of them escaped now. The blue one's over there by the other white one. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of that. I already opened it up, so just to get a look at.
Good, going.
And now I'm being a son of a gun and putting and recording this while he does all the work. Jay, that's not how you hold a bird.
I know, but these ones are feral.
Yeah, these are the gay lovers. They have kissed, probably even made out. I think they've even tried to F each other. So we will be saying some sort of word like sex, you know. But yeah. So I'm doing an unboxing video later on
And I'm a
this.
gymnastics person.
And Jay is being a weirdo doing gymnastics. Hey Jay, do pull-ups.
I can do a pull-up.
Yeah, do a pull-up.
Spider web, I want to. I got it.
Okay.
Got it.